folks. Okay, so Saturday's air show has just finished. So the idea of this video is to just go for a wander around, see how many people are in town. It's still extremely hot. It's like 29 degrees Celsius. It was 30 and 31 earlier. It's too much for me. There's litter and rubbish everywhere, which will get cleaned up by 7 AM tomorrow morning. It will all be gone, ready for day 2. So yeah, let's just go have a little look round, see what's going on. Here's a fine example. Look at this dustbin, absolutely overflowing with litter. And there was over 250 dustbins on the promenade. That's before you start with the town centre. Anyway, let's skip across this road in a minute and nip through Coral Island as a shortcut. Yeah, so let's just have a quick whiz through here. There's a shortcut down onto Blackpool Street. And there's lots of people in here enjoying playing on the machines, having some fun. So what did you think of the air show then, guys and girls? Was it cool? I enjoyed it, apart from the weather and the attack of flying ants. We absolutely got swarmed, but never mind. Not seen that many flying ants in absolutely years. I'll tell you something, it's a lot cooler in here. Wow. I don't do very well in hot weather. It's all to do with my asthma and a couple of other breathing problems I've got. So let's just run through here where it's cooler anyway. Yeah. Another dustbin full there ahead of us. Well, 2 dustbins actually. So we just pop out onto Bank Hay Street. Look at these crowds. All heading away probably towards the car park down there on Bonny Street. And this dustbin has actually just been emptied, believe it or not. And the clean-up crew's going to have to come in afterwards and clean that mess up. Look at these big concrete lumps here. Now, they actually used to have plants in, and they look very, very pretty until local teenagers, young people who've been out nightclubbing, decided to constantly pull all the plants up. So now they've been filled with concrete. Why didn't they just remove them instead of leaving big concrete lumps? Anyway, so I've just turned up onto Victoria Street, and in a minute you'll see one of the entrances to the Winter Gardens. There it is at the top of the street. I'm just staying on this side of the road as I'm really, really grateful for a bit of shade after today's temperatures. Absolutely beautiful weather for a lot of people, but I just find it too hot. So yeah, Winter Gardens just up there, lots of events going on there. And we are just going to turn this corner onto Corporation Street before I come out on Church Street. So as you can see, it's still very, very busy down here. And we're now onto Church Street. See, look at these crowds still up here. And so it's only 5:30. It is absolutely boiling hot still, like 29 degrees Celsius. And for Blackpool, that is hot. We're not used to this sort of heat here.
Wow. It really is just boiling. And it is absolutely amazing to see Blackpool full of so many happy people just enjoying it. Right, I, for one, am going to go for something to eat, like a lot of these good people are doing here. So, I'm going to wrap this one up. And I'm out of breath, as you can hear. And I will catch you next time around. So again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's all free to do. And I really appreciate it. Anyway, until a very hot and sunny, from a very hot and sunny Blackpool, Saturday the 13th of August, I bid you all a fond farewell. Until the next one, catch you later.